Looking at a distance, this near 40-foot aspen tree uh, looks like a happy little tree still. You know, there's a lot of green on it, but over just the last few weeks, I've seen an increase of brown leaves, dead limbs. As I come around the side here, you can see it more pronounced, and of course you can see the top has no leaf coverage at all, no circulation going up to those limbs at all, and this poor little tree has been running sap out of it by the hour. So it is not well, it is very sick, and it's because of a little pest. And let's go in close. And as we get closer, I think that you can see the brown dead leaves and some of the dead limbs there that are showing, and one by one they are surrendering to this creature. Okay, so right here you see sawdust. You see holes in the tree, holes all in the side there. They've eaten into the tree and made great big holes. I want to get out of my own shadow here. Let's shift around a little bit. But as you look here, you can see all the sawdust and the roots. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You better get a picture of it now. It won't be there.
Right, that's right. And you can see what it does.
And I'll wait for Rudy to get started.
Alrighty. So that is my professional there. There's two of them that are coming. Oh, I'm right in my shade. There we go. Okay, but you see these scabs in the yard? If you ever see these come up from the roots. And those scabs, let me turn around here, are all around the base of the tree, but they have gone all the way up. If you see the bench there, it's over there. They have crawled under the walkway, and there's a few of them by that maple over there. So that's why it is very, very important, if you see a tree this far gone, that you have it taken care of by professionals. See, this one here is sending up a new shoot, and guaranteed, if I was to just cut this tree down with no poison, nothing else, it would send up a forest in the yard from every one of those scabs that is up on the surface. So I wanted to share this so you can avoid the expense of what I'm facing right now, because I waited so very long to deal with it because I didn't understand what was going on.